Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering the credentials for each Google account you want to use, and make sure two-step verification is enabled on at least one account for safer switching. Once done, open Chrome and click the profile icon. You add a new profile to isolate cookies, history, and extensions. This first actionable step creates separate workspaces so logins don't conflict. Make sure to choose a clear profile name and avatar so you can instantly recognize which account you're entering. Once profiles exist, you add each Google account inside its dedicated profile by signing into accounts. Google.com and confirming sync preferences. You do this to keep bookmarks, passwords, and extensions separate, which avoids cross-account data leaks. If you prefer a single profile, use the built-in account switcher in the top right Google Apps bar. However, profiles remain cleaner. Make sure to review sync settings so only the data you want migrates. This prevents accidental sharing of extensions or autofill. To finish, verify each profile by opening Gmail, Drive, and Calendar to confirm the correct account is active. This proves sync and sign-in worked. If switching fails, clear cookies for that profile or open an incognito window and sign in again. Sometimes stale cookies block new logins. If an account locks, go to Google Account Security and revoke suspicious sessions, then reset the password. One troubleshooting tip: if persistent problems remain, export bookmarks and recreate the profile to remove corrupted settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.